Hello and welcome to this new video. In this new video we will talk about getting individual values in a list with indexes. Let's say that you have in the list cat, bat, rat, and elephant stored in a variable named spam. The Python code spam0 would evaluate to cat, and spam1 would evaluate to bat, and so on. The integer inside the square brackets that follows the list is called an index. The first value in the list is at index 0, the second value is at index 1, the third value is at index 2, and so on. Also, we can concatenate them as these variables evaluate as strings. Notice that the expression hello plus spam0 evaluates to hello cat because spam0 evaluates to the string cat. Indexes can be only integer values, not floats. Lists can also contain other list values. The values in this list of lists can be accessed using multiple indexes, like this. So in these examples, the first index dictates which list value to use, and the second indicates the value within the list value. For example, spam00 prints cat and spam01 prints bat. And if we want to access to the second list, we use spam1, 2, and this prints 30. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos like this.
We cursed our youth 'cause we were